Check out this beautiful new listing from Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax, a 2016 Deep Impact 360 Sport center console with a triple axle trailer. Underneath this gorgeous billfish wrap with the name on it, there is a solid black gel coat hull. Bottom is vented, all good. Full cover. Triple Mercury 400s on jack plates. Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax. Welcome aboard this incredible Deep Impact 360 Sport. She is powered with Mercury 400s, triples. That gives you 1,200 horsepower back here. Sitting on Bob's Machine Shop jack plates. Awesome diamond stitch upholstery throughout the boat, as well as a diamond patterned sea deck in this boat. If you want to fish, there is a live well. There are some rod holders. These are lighted cup holders, lighted bait well, lights all under the gunnels, under the seats. 12 JL audio speakers throughout the boat. Power amps for all of them. The helm gives you twin Garmin's, GPS fish finder, radar. Vessel also has a bow thruster, so everyone can look great. Indicators for the jack plates and the trim tabs. VHF, of course. Very nice Laversi controls. Gunnels are all non-skidded. There are boxes in the deck, 4 forward here, as well as large lockers under both these forward seats. If someone needs to make tinkle, there is an electric head in the boat, as well as a place to sit and change and a sink. Notice all the sit-down seats have the grab handles sewn into them. There's that brand new Garmin radar. That concludes our tour of this beautiful Deep Impact 36.